Hello and welcome YouTube. How are you? Today we're gonna do unboxing Xiaomi Redmi S2. Very much it's gonna be international version, a dual SIM card. So this device, okay, so has 3 gig RAM, 32 gig internal storage, and processor is octa-core Snapdragon 625. So this support LTE, 4G LTE network. So um, the phone was sealed. Actually, I did unseal it prior the video, so just to make it ready for you guys. But make sure when you have the phone delivered to you, check if it's sealed or not. If it's not sealed, that means it's not original, or it's not in original package. It could be refurbished. So just make sure the phone has to be sealed. Okay, so let's get started to check what's inside the box. Okay, all right. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just using one hand and holding the camera. Unfortunately, my tripod still broken and I can't use it. All right. All right, so it's upside down. All right. Okay, so here we go. So this is it. So Redmi S2. That's a Xiaomi phone, Redmi S2. So the phone is 6 inches. Comes with a fingerprint sensor so that you can unlock it with your finger, and comes with a dual camera flash, LED flash, and very much soft. Let's see here. This side is the micro SD card and a nano SIM card. So that's a dual SIM card here, and then on top we're gonna see a microphone and a 3.5 millimeter jack for the headphones, and this side is gonna be volume up and down, and the power button, and the bottom here we're gonna see dual speaker, and that's not a USB, it's a micro USB charger. It's not a USB type C. It's a micro USB type. Okay, otherwise nothing special. It's very light. So the battery is built in, so it's not a removable battery. So here is the slot. Comes with dual SIM card and a micro SD card. Okay, so you can put the slot, and also the sensor. The design actually very much similar to the iPhone X. That's what I think about it, but so that one is supports 2 SIM cards. Okay, so both are nano SIM cards. Okay, so dual SIM card and a micro SD card. So this is a 6 inches with a 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear camera, and the front camera is a 16 megapixel. It's very much 6 inches full screen display. It does have, no, actually it doesn't have a bezel, so this phone doesn't have any bezel. Very light. Very. I compared the size basically. Actually, they sent me this adapter because the phone is international version, and that's very much the international version. It's not supported in power outlet. Let's see, yeah, this is the international version, so not supported in the power outlet in the United States, so I have to use the adapter. So they sent me the adapter, so I can plug it in and I can use it. Yeah, very much it's gonna be, now it's a US adapter. It's just plug and play. So what else in the box? So it comes also with a micro USB. So this is micro USB cable. It's not a USB type C, and comes also with a SIM card ejector, and that's it. All right, so this is my first time I have seen the phone do not come with user manual, because they know people, they were not gonna read it. So they're gonna take it out. So anyhow, yeah, that's very much what the box comes with. Xiaomi Redmi S2. So I'm just comparing the phone size with my Note 8. I think it's, let me get off the case from my Note. We can compare that. All right, so this is very much Note 8, and so let's see how big is it. It's not that, size the same, because you know Note 8 is a 6.3 inches, and this one is 6 inches. So very much I'm sorry, did I say Note 3? Oh no, Note 8. So Note 8 is 6.3 inches, and this one is a 6 inches. So for sure in Note 8, sorry, for sure Note 8 is bigger than Redmi S2, Xiaomi Redmi S2. So very much that's what I have today, just unboxing the phone, and I will give you another video for reviews about how do I feel with the phone. Otherwise, if you have any question, guys, just let me know, and put your comments, and I will reply to you. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, please, and thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Have a good night. Thank you. Bye bye.